Good morning, guys. It is the 1st of 2021, 1st January. Just woke up. The time right now is 8:42. It's gonna be a lazy day. I don't think I'm gonna do much. I'll bring you along with me the entire day. Chalo.
Come on, Shadow Boy.
Come on, let's go, bye.
Come on.
Come, let's go. Puliki Balamba. Shadow, let's go for a bath. This is the laziest dog you will ever find on this planet Earth. Come on, let's be more active on January 1st, Shadow. Come on. What is this bird? Juicy chemistry back in the day. So, my husband's actually making coffee. He usually makes coffee every day in the morning. And I'm just going to take out the stuff from the dishwasher. And, as I mentioned in one of my Amazon videos, like we put all the utensils cleaned once in the sink. We clean the sink and we put it in there. So for drying, because we don't want to have anything on the countertop. So that's what I'm going to do. So, I see a lot of people actually putting milk cans in the recycle bins, right? It's a good thing that you're doing it. But the thing that you have to remember is that if you put it just like that with a little bit, even a little bit of milk in it, they're going to dispose it off. They're not going to put those in recycle. You're literally just wasting your time, their time. So what you have to do is you have to actually wash it, rinse it, make sure it is dry, and then you put it in the recycle. Only then are they going to actually recycle it. Otherwise it's just waste. You're not really doing anything for the environment. So basically right now he just washed it, and we're just waiting for it to dry, and then Monday morning they come and pick up our recycle. So that's where it goes. We try to do as much as possible. We are trying to eliminate as much plastic. We don't really use too much plastic in our house anyways, especially stuff that like you use and throw. We don't do that. We usually try to like keep things at a normal level. Like party वगैरह होगा तो भी हम लोग we will use stuff that are made out of biodegradable products, right? So my coffee is ready. गरम गरम coffee. Let's see आज का coffee कैसे बना है. Sometimes hit or miss हो सकता है मेरा coffee. If he adds like too much milk and all in my coffee, then I hate it. I need more decoction than my milk, and also I don't like foam. How do you like this mug? Cute now. I bought it very recently. I would say like a month or two back. No, actually I bought it back in August or something like that. मस्त है ना. और एक टूट भी गया मेरा बेचारा. And this is ribbon pakoda, the best ribbon pakoda ever. My mother-in-law shipped it to us. She makes it at home, so soft, so buttery. When you have this, and when you try to have dukan ka, that tastes like crap. I don't even remember the last time I had ribbon pakoda from the store, especially after I got married. Because uske pehle to obviously I never had the chance. Once I got married, and when she made this and she got it for us, oh my god. देखो unhealthy. Jan first में खराब खाना unhealthy. But it's okay घर का है. I want to finish this off because
नहीं तो मैं फिनिश करूँगा.
हाँ एक तो ये फिनिश कर देगा. Seriously. और फिनिश नहीं करेंगे तो खराब भी हो जाएगा ना because it's been quite some time now. Now let's go watch some TV. A few days back actually I got some package from India. और उसके साथ मेरा श्रद्धा ट्रेंड्स का भी आया था. In fact this is actually from Shraddha Trends. I posted it. It's so good, so comfortable. Look at that. There's a pocket in it. मस्त है ना? So anyways, तो वो Shraddha Trends का आया था. I have to actually fold them up and then put them inside. I want to clear out my Indian closet because there are a lot of Indian clothes which I don't wear anymore and they are either too tight or fit नहीं होता है. I know I'm not going to be that thin and I don't want to I want to have a realistic goal. इतनी पतली तो मैं नहीं होने वाली हूँ. And होंगी तो भी most of the times यहाँ पे मेरा tight हो जाता है. It doesn't even make sense. So I'm actually going for my workout right now, starting my new year with my workout. I mean I had one scheduled anyways today. We usually work out on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. I mean I know I need to wash my hair, so I'm going to anyways put some oil on my hair. I'm using the Juicy Chemistry Marula Argan Lavender Oil. This one is for hair loss control and deep conditioning, so I'm just going to use a little bit of that. Sorry if I'm talking weird, but I have my braces on. So what's happening is that the braces, the pointy end is kind of poking my gums, and I usually put wax on my teeth, but I just took it off because I had to brush my teeth and obviously I had to have my coffee too, so I just took it off. Taking that one, putting it in the scalp. I was supposed to have my workout at 10 o'clock. My trainer just texted us saying if we can move it a little later, which I don't mind because I get to have my breakfast. I'm just making it a very, very simple breakfast. I'm making poha. This is how I make poha. I make it with peas and a little bit of potato. Usually I don't add potatoes, but today I just feel like having one. So I'm going to start by taking some coconut oil, add some jeera in, then take some peanuts, lightly roast it a little bit. Go ahead and add some onions, ginger and green chilies. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some turmeric in it, some dhania powder, jeera powder and some salt. I've already boiled some potatoes and peas. I'm going to go ahead and add that. Usually I also add some moong sprouts in it, but today I didn't have that, so I didn't add that. And then I had already kind of soaked some poha. I just go ahead and add that and just lightly toss it a little bit. I do not use a spatula here because I don't want it to get like upma. Then I'm just going to go ahead, switch off the gas, add some lemon juice in it and close it and just leave it just like that for a few minutes and serve it hot. Weather is so good, you guys, outside. Look at that. All of a sudden, पता नहीं कहाँ से sun आ गया. But this is like my spot. Like on weekends, this is where I'll sit and chill with my blinds open. And the mast sunlight आता है, I get my vitamin D. इतना तीखा था. The quantity today I made was a little too much because I thought थोड़ा ही बचा था पोहा. Let me finish it off, otherwise इतू सा पोहा बच जाता है. But it ended up being more. We usually don't have. I have like maybe 3 tablespoons each of poha. Total of 6 tablespoons. That's all that we have, and I don't use potatoes usually. He came here, he licked me, and then sat over there. I don't know what he's trying to do. Shadow, no one tiny. Come here. Rovaria. Kulike Polama number. I don't know what he thinks Kulike Polama means. In Tamil, it means let's go for a bath. The irony is he hates having bath. He hates, look at him. I think he thinks he understands the word polama, which means like let's go. Let's go for a walk, wa. Let's go. See, like I told you, he thinks we're going for a walk or something. Alrighty guys, just finished our workout. It was a really difficult one, as you guys saw. We did a couple new ones, right? Like the ball ones were new because we just inflated our ball. We've had that ball for 2 years. Right now I'm having my protein shake. This is by the brand Owen. I've stuck to this for over a year now. I really do like. I've tried so many protein shakes in the past. I cannot even tell you. In fact, I have एक पूरा डब्बा यहाँ पे जो हम लोग ने शायद कॉस्को से खरीदा था. I don't know, like a year or two back. इतना बकवास था, like Vega something. It's completely plant based. Hi guys, so I'm so stupid. I'm so not used to filming, carrying a camera in my hand all the time. And I actually filmed this. Actually, it's not even a makeup look. I literally just put in eyeliner, eyebrows, and a little bit of blush and highlighter. That is it. And then I used Live Tinted ka this stick called as Change. So बस वही डाला था मैंने eyes में, and lipstick मैंने डाला है Too Faced का Gingerbread Girl. It was like, I think Christmas a year back or something. And वो भी मैंने इसलिए डाला है because I just have to take a couple pictures. That is it. I won't actually arrange my jewelry stuff, which is in the drawer, and it's like all over the place. You know, it's pretty expensive. It's not real jewelry, but it's like pretty expensive, right? So I just don't want to keep them in like separate. I want to keep it in like one place. So वो organize करने के लिए I thought I'll just buy this jewelry drawer from Michaels. I saw several Instagrammers actually posting that. One of my friends, Tummy Tales with Sudha, she also posted about it recently. Hello. So the time right now is 3:37, and I actually spent almost close to 2 hours clicking pictures for Instagram. This is a new dress I was wearing, as I said, mentioned before. So we were trying some new techniques on Instagram. So it was pretty fun, but posing and me, like, oh my god, it is such a pain. I cannot, मेरा face ऐसे चला जाता है. And thank God my husband थोड़ा बहुत उसको वो मेरे को ideas दे रहा था कि मैं post कैसे करूँ. It was so funny. But anyways, I already posted it. If you haven't seen it, make sure you go check it out on Instagram. Make sure you like it, engage with me, please. I'm really trying hard to kind of put out content as much as possible. But yeah, this is how my makeup turned out. Pretty good. I am very happy with it. Very simple. No foundation. देख लो, एक भी इंच, मतलब कुछ फाउंडेशन ही नहीं डाला है मैंने. आई डोंट यूज फाउंडेशन एनीवेज. जब से कोरोना शुरू हुआ है, आई डोंट रिमेंबर पुटिंग फाउंडेशन बिकॉज व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड मेरे को इतने सारे एक्ने हो गए थे. लाइक आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग सो मेनी जिट्स. लाइक इफ यू सी ऑल दीज स्कार्स, वो सब उसी के कारण हुआ है. तो मैंने बंद ही कर दिया फाउंडेशन डालना. एंड एनीवेज यार, कौन देखता है एट वर्क? तो आई एम पूरा टाइम वेयरिंग मास्क ओनली, तो कुछ फर्क भी नहीं पड़ता है. इट्स ऑल गोइंग टू गेट ट्रांसफर्ड, एंड देन वो मास्क में ट्रांसफर होता है तो वैसे भी पूरा फैल जाता है. आई डोंट इवन वेयर लिपस्टिक एक्चुअली टू वर्क. तो मेरा इतना ही रहता है. मैं आईलाइनर कभी कभार डाल लेती हूँ, मोस्टली तो इट इज जस्ट कंसीलर एंड मस्कारा एंड आईब्रोज बना के जाती हूँ. दैट इज इट. वेरी सिंपल. मैं ज़्यादा आई डोंट डू मच. फर्स्ट टाइम वी आर स्टेपिंग आउट ऑफ द हाउस टू अ रेस्टोरेंट इतनी टाइम बाद, आफ्टर लाइक मार्च. हिम्मत ही नहीं होती थी हमारी बाहर निकलने की. तो एनीवे न्यू ईयर्स है तो हमने सोचा अच्छा बाहर खा लेते हैं. एक्चुअली माई प्लान वॉज टू मेक फूड एट होम. घर पे रसम वही, वो भी नहीं खत्म. कल का रसम भी खत्म हुआ. बेसिकली राइट नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू दिस रेस्टोरेंट कॉल्ड एज ऑनेस्ट. दे हैव ब्रांचेस एक्चुअली. द ऑनेस्ट आउट हियर इज प्रिटी गुड एक्चुअली. उनका थाली वगैरह सब अच्छा रहता है. वी कैन एक्चुअली ब्रिंग द फूड होम टू गो करके लेके आ सकते हैं. बट इट्स जस्ट गोइंग टू ओपन राइट नाउ, तो इसीलिए वी आर रशिंग कि ओपन होते ही अगर हम लोग जाए तो लाइक 4 बजे को कोई नहीं होने वाला है. नो वंस गोइंग टू बी ओवर देयर टू ईट. एटलीस्ट I mean, if there are people like us who have not had the whole day, then obviously there'll be people. But I don't think this is going to be rush, which is why we are having utna to guts ki jaake khana khaye. Okay guys, our food is here. We ordered dabang dosa. It opened only at 4 o'clock, so I'm super hungry. So it's basically like mixed dosa, I guess, mixed vegetables. So tasty. I've had this dosa so many times, but yeah, let's taste it and see. मस्त था. Not bad. इतना अच्छा भी नहीं है. stomach कम हो रहा. My husband wanted to have फलूदा. वो पिछले एक हफ्ते से he's been like फलूदा खाना है but every day मैं ऑफिस से, I mean उसको pretty much office he had work, but because it was like the Christmas week and the New Year week, really like there weren't too many people at work, so he really didn't have work. So but मेरे को तो रोज ऑफिस जाके आना पड़ता था because I'm a healthcare worker, right? So I used to be like dead tired. तो फिर घर पे आके खाना बना के and then you know like I am in my night dress. Once I'm in my PJs, don't expect me to get out of the house. Or this week has been so cold. Like it's been like 39 degrees and that's pretty cold for Dallas, okay? And it was raining also, very yucky. तो फिर मन भी नहीं कर रहा था बाहर निकलने का. तो finally हम लोग because आज बाहर निकले, decided let's just stop at Aga, and obviously वो to go करवा रहा है. He's just ordering his stuff and he should be here at any moment. And आ गई मेरी. You got rose? I told you get regular वाला ना.
रेगुलर वाला ही रहे.
अच्छा ये देखो फलूदा कितनी बड़ी होती है यार. What the hell, कितना बड़ा साइज होता है ना. अमेरिका में सब कुछ they have like jumbo size only.
I
देखो
specifically got no nuts वाला.
गुड. मेरे को नट्स नहीं पसंद यार. यू एड एनी नट्स इन माई फूड तो फिर वो खाना आई विल नेवर टच दैट फूड इफ यू एड नट्स. लाइक दैट इज माई प्रॉब्लम. लाइक यू गिव मी नट्स एज सच, ऐसे दे दो, बादाम कैश्यूज वगैरह वो सब डाल के दे दो, आई विल हैव इट वेरी वेल. द मोमेंट आई सी इट इन माई फूड, लाइक खीर में भी अगर इफ यू गिव मी नट्स ना, I will not touch it. I will first ask my mom to like पहले तो separate करके रखो. And I don't think even you like ना nuts.
In cilantro.
ना बट्टे को nuts भी तो नहीं पसंद. कुछ भी बोल मत, मैं कल से फिर nuts डालूंगी तेरे लिए.
हाँ ठीक है.
तो तू बोलता था मेरे को खीर में नहीं पसंद nuts. अच्छी बात है, nuts नहीं पसंद.
खीर में nuts नहीं पसंद है, but in general I like.
तो पोंगल में डालूं, स्वीट पोंगल में nuts डालूं. कैसे है ये झूठा. जब मैं बोलती हूँ तो nuts डालने का, तो बोलते हैं नहीं.
Too much cashews I don't
देखा
like.
तो वो nuts ही होता है.
No, I like peanuts. You can put as much peanuts.
पीनट्स थोड़ी ना डालते हैं पोंगल में. स्वीट पोंगल में कहाँ से पीनट्स डालूं मैं. पागल.
You said nuts in anything.
कुछ देखते हैं कैसा है. बहुत सही रहता है यार इनका फलूदा. यूजुअली हम लोग क्या करते हैं, विल बाय फलूदा एंड देन वी विल यूजुअली बाय साइड में मलाई कुल्फी. तो मलाई कुल्फी काफ़ी रहता है. व्हाट वी डू इज वी टेक इट होम और रोज़ थोड़ा सा निकाल के हम लोग खाते हैं रोज़. तो एक हफ्ता तो टिक ही जाता है हम दोनों के लिए.
कुल्फी नहीं रहे, you get that रबड़ी.
हाँ रबड़ी कुल्फी, रबड़ी वाला कुल्फी. तो ये जो ऊपर का रहता है ना वो चीज़, दैट्स कुल्फी ओनली रे. You want me to keep doing this? Look at his position, Ray. How he's sleeping. 5 minutes he's been standing like this only. Hey. If I stop, he'll look up and he'll be like, "What are you? Why are you not doing it? Continue. Sit, no. Why are you not sitting? Sit." Appa. Such an awkward position you were in. What happened? You want to sleep? You're sleepy. You want to go to the bedroom. You want to sleep on your bed? Kuntala, sleep. Kuntala, mama. Okay, Bola. Okay. Bola, ma. We'll go? See, he's ready to go. I'm so sleepy, you guys. So sleepy. I've been begging my husband कि चलो, let's go to sleep since like 8:30. 8:30 से I've been begging him, but he's been like, अरे 10 भी तो नहीं बजा, अभी 11 बज गया. हट. So now anyway, I'm going to go to sleep. Look at this fellow. He's all ready. Ready? You ready to sleep, Shadow? Tungu Palama? Yes, there you go. I'm using the Burt's Bees cleansing oil. ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं, so I'm just using that. I really love this oil. I'm testing a couple of products from the Plum line. I have their moisturizers and I'm using one of their the 8 Specialist All Defense Cream. Now because I have like 4 creams with me, I have to use them up. So I have their moisturizer, I have their scrub, I have their Sheer Day Matte Cream, which is like what do you call, has SPF in it, and this is the 8 Special. They are different like lines, right? I'm just testing it out. I've been testing this for over a month now. Will give you my reviews about this. Like, you come free, right? Say good night, Shadow. मैं जा रही हूँ सोने. I will see you tomorrow and tata bye bye. You want to say bye bye?
Bye.
Wow, कितना enthusiastically तूने बोला.